So here's a quick tutorial on how to email a recording from your smartphone. So for this tutorial we're going to use an iPhone, and all iPhones come with the capability to email in voice recordings. So first thing is you have to find the voice memo icon. All phones come with this, all iPhones come with this, and you can see the big red arrow pointing towards the picture of it on the phone. Underneath the big picture, you can see there's three separate icons that could be on your phone. It depends on how new your phone is, but any one of those three icons will get you to the voice memo app. So push on your voice memo app and then you will see this. It's a little picture of a microphone, and when you want to start recording, you push the little round button in the corner with the red dot. So you push that and then you can start recording, and this is what you will see. So at the very top there's a red bar that tells you how long you've been recording for. So it keeps track of the time for you, which is nice. If you want to pause your recording and come back in a few minutes, you can push the button on the left, the pause button. There's a red arrow pointing towards the pause button. And when you're finished your recording and you're totally done, you want to stop, you can push the stop button on the right. And there's a black arrow pointing towards the stop button. Once you push the stop button, your screen will go back to the way it was before. So this is what your screen will look like once you push stop. And now to listen to your recording and then email it, you need to push the little button on the right with the three lines. There's a black arrow pointing towards that button for you. Once you push on that button, you will see a list of all the different recordings you have made. So on this phone there's only one recording, and they're all listed by what time you took the recording, so by the time and the date. If you want to listen to one, you click on it and it will start to play. Once you've listened to it and you're happy with it, you want to email it, you push the blue share button on the bottom left. And there's a black arrow pointing at the blue share button. Once you push that button, a little screen pops up that asks you if you want to email or message your recording. So you can send it as a text message. If you push that, your text message screen will pop up and you pick the contact you want to send it to, or you can email your voice recording. To do that, you click the email button and then an email will open up and you pick the contact or the email address that you want to send your email to. And it's just that easy. You're all done, and the person on the other side will get your voice recording.